Okay, good everybody. Now, this is what we want to achieve. Our parrot is going to be flying, and when you click on your space bar, as I'm clicking on my space bar here, the space bar will make the parrot to be jumping up. Okay, that is what we actually want to achieve. So while they are still waiting, new, and then okay, so we have a blank project now. I want to start all over again. The first thing that we do is I will delete this card, then come to this place and then import Parrot. Just search for Parrot up here. Search for Parrot up here. Okay, I have my Parrot. I will import the background, any background of your choice. I have that one. Then I will import broom. This is broom here, right here. We have three things: the background, the broom, and the parrot. Okay, so this broom, I want it to be horizontal, so I'll come to this direction and then change it to 180. So we have a straight broom. Okay, and I will reduce the size of my broom to 50. Okay, so we have this. Do you get it now? So I want my broom to be moving to the left. So what I will do is that when the green flag is clicked, okay, I'll look for forever, then go to motion, forever, go to motion, and I'll look for this option, which is change X. If you want it to be going to the right, you leave it at 10, but I want it to be going to the left. I'll change it to -5. I can say -10. -10 will be very fast, but let's say -5. So when I click on green, can we see that our broom is what? Our broom is actually moving to the to the left side corner of the screen. But mind you, when it gets to that corner, it's no more moving. Okay, so and it's very simple. What we are going to do now is I will use my operator. Is a logical statement or conditional statement. I pick out this. If you check this place, you see that the position of your broom is -40. So I'll come to control and I'll say if statement. For those that have been following us, we know what we mean by if. That's a conditional statement. I put this one. What do I want to check? I want to check the position of my broom. So I will say if X position of my broom is equal to -240, which we have right here, which is true. So what do I want to do? I want you to hide. You just as if you are speaking to somebody. I want you to hide their broom. I want you to hide their broom. Okay. So when you hide that broom, what will happen? Then go to the right corner of the screen, which is 240 instead of 240. Instead of -240, I'll just set it to 240 and show again. As simple as that. So that is what we have. So when the broom moves to the left corner of the screen and the position of the X position of the broom is equal to -240, just be checking the numbers that we have here. This thing that is running, you can see it. So when the X position of the broom is equal to -40, the broom will hide, then go back to the right corner of the screen and start doing the same thing forever. So that is why we have forever as a kind of loop. That is what we have for the broom. Okay. Please, I cannot attend to anybody's chat for now. Let me quickly finish this, then we'll do everything together. So let's work on our parrot now. Now for the parrot, let me reduce also the size of this parrot, okay, so that it will complement our game. If it is too much, then we might not actually like it. So let the size be like this, okay. And let's look for our green flag. When this one is clicked and I say forever, okay, so I'll say forever. All right, so what do you want to do forever? I'll come to the loops. Okay, I'll come to loops, and I will say next costume. Okay, next costume, and weight 0.3. Okay, so when I play this one also, can we see what is happening? Okay, so the parrot also is what? The parrot is flying. Okay, the parrot is flying. Now also, I want my parrot to be jumping over the broom. Okay, so what I have to do is to use my space bar. Okay, so I will come to my event. I say when I click on my space bar, okay, then let's look for the position of the parrot. I'll stop this one now. Let's look for the position of the parrot. The position of the parrot right here is this, okay. But if it jumps up, let's say to this level, then this is the position, okay. That is the position. So I'll change, and I'll say weight 0.6 sec. Akinkumi Kemi, please stop drawing on the screen. Okay, and this. So when I click, can we see? So when I play everything, let's see what happened now. So when I click on my space bar, that is what we have. When I click on my space bar, that is what we are having. Okay, so this is the part A of this tutorial. The part B that we are going to be doing next week is when the parrot touches the broom. When the parrot touches the what? The broom, then we can command maybe the game over or something like that. Okay, so I think that is what we want to do for today. So I will stop my screen now, and I will attend to people if there is any question. Okay, so if